and you're going to go ahead and push the lock, lock on the factory key. Alright guys, so before we get started, please read the instruction sheet here. There's a green loop on our harness, which you can see right here, and then there's also a green pigtail that you can see. On the GTR and some other vehicles, it is not needed. This is our application guide here for this harness, okay? So this tells you the BCM location. If the X has a green box around it, then the green wire needs to be connected to the gray connector here, which is right here on the BCM, and then we need to cut this loop. It is all explained on the front of this sheet. We basically took 3 different applications and consolidated it all into one harness here. Once you guys have access to the BCM, go ahead and unplug the green and the black connectors. So you'll see the black one went here and the green one's over here. Go ahead and plug our T-harnesses in. So mate the black one to the black one, the green to the green, and then plug these back into the BCM. Once you guys have our T-harnesses installed here, take the pigtail, the black wire with the ring terminal, and ground it to the factory 10mm bolt in the cake panel. Hold the button on the side of the module here, insert the blue connector. This light turns orange. When it does, like that, let go of the button, and now it's solid red. It might be hard to see, but that is solid red. Go ahead and push the unlock button on the key, and then it'll start flashing orange. So this is what we need. Now we're going to run over to the driver's side, and we're going to insert the key into the key port. We're going to push and hold the brake pedal for up to 15 seconds, but we're looking for this light to turn solid green and turn off. So I'm going to run over there and do that real quick. And now our module is complete. Alright guys, so we got the GTR remote start completely installed. Make sure all the doors, hood, trunk is all closed up. And you're going to go ahead and push the lock on the factory key. You'll see the module light blink a few times and go through a cycle of colors. Give it a few seconds and she fires up. So you're gonna go ahead, hit the unlock button. You can get in the car and you're good to go.